Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela, Lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, hey good people, today I'm bringing you the sad news of Rick Rick. The award-winning hip-hop artist Rick Rick has died. Details of his untimely death are still fuzzy, but Sunday World has learned that the accomplished musician, whose real name is Ricardo Muziwendlovu Makhado, allegedly took his own life at his estate home in the north of Johannesburg this morning. Several sources who spoke to Sunday World alleged that he hung himself with a rope after suffering from a severe depression. Another source close to the situation alleged that the artist was found by his management team of his house at about 8:30 a.m. today. They rushed him to a nearby hospital as he was still alive. Unfortunately, he died when they were en route to the hospital. Rick Rick was the founder and owner of the record label Cotton Club Records. He was well known for fashion and setting trends. Well, I still can't believe this. The family hasn't released a statement yet. We don't know whether these allegations are true or not. This is really shocking, guys. What are your thoughts on this one? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.